Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today's videos we're gonna prepare 2 chickens but 4 different marinades. So we're gonna prepare with one with herbs and lime juice. We're gonna prepare one with Dijon mustard and honey. We're gonna prepare one for grill, and we're gonna prepare one Indian style masala. Yeah, we got some apple vinegar, some olive oil, and 2 chickens. I'm gonna prepare 4 halves, and each half with one of the marinades. So let's make it. Well, our first step is to cut the chicken. We're gonna go procedures here. Gonna open it here, and the same on the other side. Yeah, and we go just like this. We got here a little bit of too much fat, which we're gonna remove. Just fat, we don't need it. So just like that, we're gonna the wings, we're gonna remove the wings. And we're gonna just cut the end. And the second wing, we're gonna do the same. And we got our 2 wings. So for our cut here, and we got we got one like this. We're gonna do 1 cut, small cuts like this for our marinade to get into the meat. The second one, we can of course cut this. We can whether leave the bone or remove it. I will leave it for this one. 1 cut, and this one. And here we have 2 options. We can cut it in half with the bone, or we can separate and use this part of the chicken for a broth. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here, and here. Yeah, we can have that for soup, and we got our breast. Yeah, with a whole breast, gonna cut it. One, 2. I'm gonna do 2 small cuts for our marinade. Just like that, we got our chicken. From 1 chicken, we got 2 pieces of breast, 2 wings, and the 2 legs, and this part. You can whether grill this or do whatever you're gonna cook it, or I will leave it for a broth. Yeah, just the bones. Yeah. Together with the leftovers of the wings and the other part of the spine, yeah, the second one. So let's start with the mustard honey one. We're gonna start with a tablespoon of honey. We got mustard, paprika, a little bit of curcuma, garlic, salt. One tablespoon of vinegar and also 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we're just gonna mix all our spices with our chicken that's all get properly marinated. So we're making sure that all our chicken have been marinated everywhere on the cuts we did, the wings, and we're gonna put it in a vacuum bag. So now let's work in our grill marinade, and we're gonna add our coriander seed to our mortar here, with all the spices as well. That's it. The idea is to break all the coriander seeds, that it's get the smell and taste to our spices and our chicken. Yeah. We got our chicken here. We got our chicken here, and now same procedure, around tablespoon of vinegar, and we're gonna massage our chicken with the mustard, with the tomato paste, oil, and the vinegar. Yeah, and we're gonna finish it with our spices. Same procedure. Make sure that all our chicken get the spices. Yeah, just like that. We're gonna put it back in a vacuum bag, and I will catch you up. For our herbs and lime, we're gonna squeeze the use of 2 limes, add around same amount of oil, and we're gonna blend our fresh herbs. So after we blend our herbs, we got here, gonna add them to the chicken together with our garlic and the salt. Okay, just a second. Now, yeah, same procedure. Mix this properly well and to the vacuum tutor. We're gonna finish with our masala version, in which we got 150 grams yogurt. We also have our spices, salt, garlic, curry, and masala powder. And we are gonna just proceed as we did. We're gonna mix it all pretty well and to our bag. So catch you up in a second. Well, just like that, we are done with our 4 marinades for 2 chickens. Now we got 4 different flavors, and a 5th we'll make it with the bones and the leftover for the chicken. We got a leftover for chicken broth. We got our first mustard and honey. We got our I name it grilled barbecue chicken, and we got our Indian version of masala, and we got lime and herbs. So today it's Friday, 17th of April, and I will try the first 2 on Sunday. So I hope you like it. If you do like it, just subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button, and leave any comment if you have any question. Of course, I'm glad to answer your question. Thank you very much. Enjoy the journey, and see you in the next video. Take care.